Hi guys, have a nice day and thank you for watching English Carabao. And today, this is our pilot episode for our mall tour here in Dubai. So I'll be with Dararan Dunito. So you can add him also in his channel. We're going to add the links to his YouTube channel, guys, so you can start subscribing to him. And you can also follow him on his Twitter account at Donito.
Yes.
Donito Donaire.
Yes. So, dito kami ngayon sa Burjuman, the first mall, episode 1. So, we're so excited. I'm excited. I hope you are.
I am not
I know.
excited. I am super excited.
Ayun. So, push natin to.
So guys,
yes.
later we're going to tour inside the mall and we're going to show you what is something inside that will give you something interesting, like yung mga brandeds na he knows about the brands, which I don't know. And I'm also going to feature some Filipino thing na maaaring magawa ng mga Pinoy dito sa loob ng mall.
So, kung shopping yung gusto nyong puntahan and luxury shopping, punta kayo dito sa Burjuman Center.
So accessible po siya via metro lang. So this is actually along Red Line. So madali lang po siyang hanapin.
Yes. So,
And beside, the name is already Burjuman
pangalan
Metro
ng metro
Station.
station is Burjuman, so hindi ka talaga maliligaw. Yun.
Okay. So guys, come on. Let's tour
Tara na.
around.
Go.
المحطة القادمة هي The next station is Abu Dhabi.
Hi guys! We're here now. So ready to rumble!
More time!
Alright guys, welcome to Burjuman. And today, ito po, i-feature ko po dito sa loob po ng mall. Actually, hindi lang po dito sa Burjuman, is that may mga couches po talaga na inaalat nila para sa mga customers nila inside na gusto magpahinga. So like this one, there at my back is Don. He's already resting, he's already tired. Kakasimula pa lang actually namin. Okay.
Right.
So resting time.
Yes.
Ito lang. So let's say, ang daming pinamili.
You can just stay here.
Or let's say, napagod ka na sa pag-window shopping. All you have to do is just relax in this couch.
Walang bayad to.
Cozy.
Walang bayad, so it's free.
So parang feeling mo you were inside the mall but you feel like you were inside the hotel.
Yes.
Ayun. So let's go. Bye.
Iwan. Kumare. Hi guys, so these are the paintings that you see here. Meron silang art exhibit this week, until this week only. So let's see kung meron mga Pilipinong pangalan na feature dito. Burjuman has different exhibits almost every month. Merong food sila, meron eto this year, or this month is painting. So ayan.
And also on the other side.
Yes.
Okay.
So let's go. Ito maganda to art paint on sale.
Okay.
And you can also buy them.
For sale?
Yeah, you can buy them.
Alright. And one of the best part ng mall na to is meron silang
3D print.
okay, so you can have picture there. Example, parang hawak mo yung tali, then you can have picture. So, eto nga, I have already. Kinuhanan ko siya, kinuhanan niya ako.
Inset lang yan.
Oh, so it's really nice. So guys, if you have time, visit here and have a picture from there. And one of my favorite brand is at my back, Adidas. So if you love Adidas, you can buy here inside Bergman Center. And pagdating sa mga designs talaga ng mall, grabe yung mga mall dito. Yung tipong hindi siya
Mall na
box lang, okay?
Yes,
Talaga.
they have water features here. So kung maririnig nyo, maraming tubig.
That's water!
Yan.
So guys, ito, papakita namin sa inyo yung ilang mga waterfalls na mga etchos nila doon sa loob ng mall na to. Yun, may waterfalls din dyan hanggang sa taas. So what can you say about Saks Fifth Avenue?
So this is the luxury center. So perfume bags. I think all of the luxury brands nandun sa kanya. Depende.
I can see YSL inside.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Let's go outside. We cannot afford it. Come on.
Isa sa mga luxury brands.
One of the luxury brands here is Prada.
Prada from China!
Yeah, Prada from China. It's not. And on the other side of that, on the left corner, you can see LV.
Yeah, si Louis.
Louis Vuitton.
Yeah.
So, dati po, si Louis Vuitton ay dating Marguerite. Meron siyang Vuitton. So, let's go close. Yan, so, you know that there's a LV condom?
Yeah, there is.
I think it's a joke.
No, it is true.
So guys, if you like LV, you can also find it here. Don, can you say something in my head?
Yes, it is.
It's a hollow.
You have a hollow head.
Guys, this is common for all Dubai malls na tawag nito. Yung bubong nila ganun.
Yes.
Oo, so
Same
it will save energy. So hindi nila kailangan ng ilaw. So pag daytime, wala silang gastos masyado ng kuryente dito. Membership mo? Are you a member? Okay, so meron pong Rotana Hotel dito sa loob po ng Bergman. Ayan. So, Joseph, hindi ko alam kung maybe one day dito ka maa-assign.
Kung dito ka, may discount ka.
Ang galing.
So, malaking
Anong area to? Oh, this is nice. Masala House. Okay guys, so dito po nalipat na po rito yung food court nila. So, medyo cozy na yung dating. I'll show you there. Yan, so ganyan na siya kasosyal. Yun nga lang, wala pa hong tao because nobody knows yet that there's a food court inside here. Chinese Palace. So Chinese Palace, nag-offer sila ng Chinese foods. Obviously.
Parang Subway.
Ito Subway.
Na-offer sila ng sandwich.
Uy, ganda ng kulay oh.
Cozy.
And then the sofa,
Again.
still good.
So ito kunin mo itong ano, sa taas.
Ayan. So, here you go, guys.
So this is the astronomy. So this is the astronomy tower of Bergman. If you look up in the dome, you will see the different star formations.
So, asan yung Gemini dyan? Scorpio.
Ayun, dalawa.
Where? Gemini. Bakit ganun? They're standing. They're supposed to be hugging each other.
Trip nila.
Oo. So, ayun. Hindi po ako magaling sa astrology. But the design is like a film. Ang cute. Pwede magpa-picture dito, di ba, Dan?
Okay. Matagal na siya dito.
Oh, nakawawa naman siya.
Ayan, kaya makikita sa hair niya, di ba?
Oh, hindi na siya naliligo. Alam ba yan ng Dubai Municipality?
Oo, yun yung trabaho niya. Malaki sahod niya actually.
Kawawa naman siya. Anong lahi niyan?
Mannequin.
Okay guys, so every video na gagawin po namin, meron kaming tinatawag na 100 dirham challenge. So, ang gagawin po namin, yung budget namin for our meal every time na magsushooting kami is 100 dirhams.
Yes.
So today, we're going to Barrio Fiesta. Makikipiesta po kami doon. Yun nga lang, yun yung kaibahan ng fiesta dito sa Dubai compare sa Pilipinas kasi nga... walang pork. No, at the same time, ang fiesta dito, you have to pay. Okay? Kasi sa Pilipinas, pag fiesta, makikipiesta ka, libre ang kain doon. So tara, let's go, Barrio Fiesta.
Let's go. Action.
Okay guys, so simulan natin yung 100 dirhams. This is 100 dirhams. Kakain tayo doon sa Barrio Fiesta. So, puro Filipino dishes po rin nandun. Tingnan natin kung ano makakain natin dito. Ang conversion po nito is nasa 1,100 pesos. Okay, so tingnan natin kung anong kain gawin ng dalawang tao sa 100 dirhams. Let's go! Kaya pala may sticker doon. Ate, doon tayo sa likod. Fiestang fiesta. Okay, so ito yung menu nila. Filipino cuisine. Okay guys, so para sa 100 dirham challenge namin, ang naisip naming orderin ay caldereta. Yung caldereta nila ay 42 dirhams. Tapos, kukuha kami ng pinakbet. Kumakain ka ba ng gulay?
Yeah.
Pinakbet is 28. Magkano bang pinakbet?
Pinakbet. Ulam.
Nawala na.
Tapos ayun, pinakbet 20.
20. Tapos mag-ice tea kami, 15 each. So 92. Tapos meron silang small water, 4 dirham. So that's total of 100. So order tayo. Okay? Order na. So yun guys, nabigay na po namin yung order namin. Kahit yung girl nagtataka, bakit hindi kami order ng rice?
Bawal sa linis.
Ganun talaga, kasi nga mahilig ako sa burger. Pinaprocess niya na yung order namin.
Ay.
Po yung unang order namin. Iced tea, 15 dirham each. So 30 dirhams po yan. Thank you po ate.
Salamat po.
Oh, bakit ganun bigla kang magalang? Okay. Okay, so yung 4 dirhams na water nest, ganito po kalaki. So actually, mura na po talaga to. Although sa mga supermarket to, nasa around 1 dirham o 2 dirhams lang po yan. Pero sa airport, 15 dirhams. In order namin, caldereta,
Ay.
tsaka pinakbet. Ano bang kulang? Kompleto na, no? Okay, let's eat. Yun actually ang ayoko sa new generation ngayon na before kumain. Instead of praying, ang ginagawa ng mga tao, picture taking.
Yes.
Instagram muna.
Okay.
Tayo. Sa akin yung gulay.
Ay, may shrimp pala.
Sige, okay lang. Wait lang yung pinakbit ba nila? Bagong alamang yan o bagong isda?
I think alamang.
Allergic kasi ako sa bagong isda eh.
Okay. I think alamang na to eh.
Buti na lang. Lasang bagoong.
Manamit.
Namit?
Namit din.
And, ang labo mo. Guys, so ito, nag-bill out na po kami. And, to show you, successful po yung 100 dirhams challenge namin. Diyan. Yan po, malinaw po yan. That's 100 dirhams. So, panalo.
Kumakain pa rin ako.
Janitor fish po kasi yan si Don. Dato ng mga tira, mga sarsa, inuubos po niya. Actually,
Pinapabalot ba?
nagre-request siya sa waitress kung pwede daw isupot po yung mga sabaw.
At
Yay! Good. Okay, so uyan na. Thank you po. Masyado. Uyan na. Tumaba ka bigla, oh. Grabe guys, ang sarap. Pinoy na Pinoy kasi nga talaga naman fiestang fiesta. Kasi
fiesta! Ayun eh.
kakatawa lang kasi dahil nakikita mo yung mga waitress nila nakakimona. Kimona yun, di ba?
Basta naka-Filipiniana sila.
San saya? San tayo? Okay guys, so katatapos nga lang namin kumain. And to show you, he's wearing a folk dancer trouser. Para siyang dancer ng tinikling. Ay naman siya, tinan mo. Tinikling.
Kailangan ng kwayan.
So gano'n talaga pag mga busog na,
Wala
may
na ibang
energy.
maisip kahit ano na.
May energy na mangulitan. Ayan, so meron pa ditong tour bus. Big bus tour of Dubai. So, if gusto...
yan,
Ano naman yan?
sumusulong sa Dubai Creek.
Talaga?
Oo.
Okay. Ang ganda.
Wonder bus. Yeah.
Alright, that's all for today guys. Thank you so much for watching English Carabao again. And thank you Don for your time.
Yes, guys. See you next time.
Yeah, next week, same day, Tuesday. But our upload date is, it's either Tuesday or Wednesday morning. So, yun po. So, watch us also for the behind the scene videos. I'm gonna have it as, what do you call that?
Just click for the link.
Yeah, below. Or we can have it as video response.
Yes.
So,
Just watch also my channel so that you can see the videos there.
channel name?
It's Donito, capital RN.
Alright. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.
Bye-bye.
Ciao.